Small kitchens can be frustrating. There's never enough room for storage, prep space, or even moving around freely. But here's the good news. With the right products, you can transform a cramped kitchen into a highly functional and stylish space. Amazon is filled with affordable, clever, and space-saving items that make small kitchens feel bigger and work better. In this video, I'll share 25 amazing Amazon finds, along with their prices, that are designed to help you organize, declutter, and maximize every inch of your small kitchen. Magnetic spice racks, around $20. If your countertop is filled with little jars and bottles, magnetic spice racks are a game changer. These racks stick to the side of your fridge or any magnetic surface, freeing up cabinet space instantly. Each jar has a clear lid, so you can see your spices at a glance. Instead of digging through clutter, you'll have a clean, easy-to-reach system that makes cooking smoother. Over-the-sink cutting board, around $25. Counter space is precious in small kitchens, and an over-the-sink cutting board helps you gain extra working room. It stretches across your sink, providing a sturdy surface for chopping, slicing, or even holding colanders for rinsing. Some boards even come with containers that slide underneath to collect scraps or chopped veggies. It's a brilliant way to expand your prep space without remodeling. Wall-mounted pot rack, around $30. Bulky pots and pans can swallow an entire cabinet. A wall-mounted pot rack not only saves that space, but also turns your cookware into decor. You hang your pans neatly within reach, and it creates a professional kitchen vibe. Plus, this frees your cabinets for items that actually need to stay hidden, like pantry goods. Stackable food storage containers, around $35. Pantries can quickly turn into chaos. Stackable food storage containers with airtight lids keep your dry goods neat and fresh. Rice, pasta, cereal, and snacks all get a uniform look, which makes your shelves appear organized and spacious. Transparent designs also let you see what's inside immediately, so no more mystery bags shoved in the back. Pull-out cabinet organizers, around $50. Cabinet corners are often wasted because they're hard to reach. Pull-out organizers change that completely. These sliding racks fit inside your lower cabinets, letting you pull everything out like a drawer. Instead of crouching and digging in the dark, you'll have easy access to all your pots, lids, and cleaning supplies. Undershelf hanging baskets, around $18. Most people forget about the airspace inside cabinets. Undershelf baskets clip onto existing shelves, creating an extra tier of storage for plates, cups, or snacks. They're perfect for renters because they require no drilling, and they instantly double the capacity of your shelves. Magnetic knife strip, around $22. Knife blocks take up valuable counter space. A magnetic knife strip mounts to your wall and keeps all your knives safe, visible, and accessible. It's a professional-looking upgrade that also makes your kitchen safer, since knives are stored securely instead of in a messy drawer. Over-the-door pantry organizer, around $40. If you have a pantry or even just a tall cabinet, the back of the door is wasted real estate. An over-the-door organizer with multiple shelves can hold spices, jars, oils, and snacks. It's like adding a whole extra pantry without taking up any floor space. Foldable dish drying rack, around $28. Traditional drying racks are bulky and hog precious counter space. Foldable versions roll out over your sink when you need them, then fold away when you don't. Some even double as a trivet for hot pans. It's one product that adds function but disappears when you want a cleaner look. Corner shelf organizers, around $15. Kitchen corners often get wasted, especially on counters. Small corner shelves help you create tiered levels for spices, mugs, or condiments. Instead of piling things on top of each other, you'll have vertical organization that looks neat and accessible. Pull-down spice rack, around $45. Upper cabinets can be tricky, especially if you're not tall. A pull-down spice rack fixes that problem. You install it inside a cabinet, and with one pull, the entire rack lowers to your level. It's practical, sleek, and saves you from knocking jars over while reaching. Nesting mixing bowls with lids, around $30. Mixing bowls can take up too much cabinet space, but nesting sets solve that issue. They stack neatly inside one another, often with lids for storage, and some even come with measurement markings or graters built in. One set replaces multiple kitchen tools while keeping everything compact. Rolling kitchen cart, around $70. If you're desperate for counter and storage space, a rolling cart is a lifesaver. It gives you an extra surface for meal prep, plus shelves or drawers for storing essentials. Since it's on wheels, you can move it around and tuck it away when not needed. Some even double as a mobile coffee or bar station. Wall-mounted foldable table, around $80. Small kitchens rarely have room for a dining table. A foldable wall-mounted table gives you a dining or working surface that folds flat against the wall when not in use. Pair it with foldable chairs, and you have a space-saving dining area perfect for apartments. Over-the-sink shelf, around $26. The area above your sink is often ignored. An over-the-sink shelf adds an extra layer where you can place soap, sponges, or even small plants. It clears your counters while making the sink area look stylish and organized. Rotating turntable, Lazy Susan, around $18. Deep cabinets often hide jars and condiments in the back. A rotating turntable solves that instantly. You just spin it to grab what you need. These are perfect for sauces, oils, or even under-sink cleaning supplies. Drawer dividers, around $20. Messy drawers can waste time and space. Adjustable dividers let you customize each section for utensils, gadgets, or spices. Suddenly, your drawers go from chaotic to perfectly organized, and you'll always know exactly where everything is. Hanging mason jar racks, around $25. Instead of cluttering shelves with jars, hanging racks let you suspend mason jars under cabinets. They're great for spices, dry goods, or even small snacks. This not only saves space, but also adds a charming, farmhouse touch to your kitchen. Collapsible colanders, around $15. Strainers and colanders usually eat up entire drawers, but collapsible silicone versions fold flat when not in use. They're sturdy enough for pasta or veggies, but slim enough to tuck away almost anywhere. Wall-mounted mug holder, around $20. Mugs can crowd an entire cabinet. A wall-mounted rack with hooks stores them vertically, freeing shelf space while turning your favorite mugs into kitchen decor. It's both functional and fun. Compact electric kettle, around $35. Appliances can overwhelm small counters. Compact electric kettles are sleek, fast, and don't hog space. Many modern versions are designed with minimalist aesthetics, so they blend beautifully with small kitchens. Nesting measuring cups and spoons, around $12. Instead of a drawer full of mismatched measuring tools, get a nesting set. They fit neatly together, saving space and reducing clutter. Some even come in magnetic stacks, so they click together instead of scattering in the drawer. Hanging produce basket, around $22. Fruits and vegetables take up counter or fridge space. Hanging produce baskets free that space, while keeping your produce visible and accessible. Multi-tier versions can hold a surprising amount without looking bulky. Compact trash and recycling bin, around $45. In small kitchens, a big trash bin is impossible. Compact dual bins give you a neat way to manage waste and recycling without hogging precious floor space. Many are designed to slide discreetly under cabinets, keeping things tidy. Silicone lid and pan organizers, around $18. Lids and baking pans are notoriously messy to store. Silicone or wire organizers hold them upright, so you can grab what you need without causing an avalanche. This instantly transforms chaotic cabinets into orderly storage zones. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more smart home ideas, and share this with a friend who's struggling with a small kitchen. Thanks for watching.